Good morning, friends. Today is 1st of May and the last day of the Ooty trip. So the time is around 8:30 in the morning and we are heading towards breakfast now. So today's plan is we will be visiting the boathouse, and depending on the crowd we will see whether to do boating or not, because we have already done boating in the Paikara waterfalls, and secondly the botanical garden, and then we will head towards Chennai. That's the plan. डोसा और ये कौन सा पराठा है भैया? पनीर पराठा. Bread, pineapple juice and vanilla milkshake. Okay friends, so we just had breakfast. I had idli, masala dosa, semai and pineapple juice and vanilla milkshake. So I did a bit of heavy breakfast so that we don't need to stop for lunch. My wife also had some heavy breakfast. Maybe for our daughter we will be stopping. Alright friends, so before we leave, let me give you a room tour. So that is the door. There's a sofa cum bed, a table, the bed, TV. That is the bathroom there. The bathroom was pretty clean. There are a few hooks here to hang your clothes, and then there's a place to keep your there's a safe also. You can keep your bags, which have laptop and all here. There are a couple of mirrors, 1, 2, 3 here. Yeah, the room was pretty good. I mean, it was elite room. It was pretty good. Alright friends, so we have started from our hotel, and on the right there's a boathouse. It's not, there's no parking right now. Let me see where I can park my car. Also on the way down, the car got hit in a stone slab. So I'll show you how much the damage is. Okay. We are entering Ooty boathouse. So there is the entrance ticket counter. And just look at the crowd here. Okay, so there is a tariff, 80 rupees for car. Anna parking irka? 80 rupees. Hai kya? So just look at the crowd here. The entry fee is 15 for adult and 30 for still camera, 150 for video camera. There are some rides also in here. Bumping cars are there, I can see. Also this side there are a few rides. So these are the rides, 1, 2, and that side boating is happening. You can see the boats are going. So there are row boats, pedal boats, etc. Alright friends, so this is the damage that happened by hitting that stone slab. So the police person and the other car was just standing in the middle of the road, and I kept on taking left, and then this happened. So there are a lot of shops here. So I'm just going to buy one eucalyptus roll-on. So let me see how much it costs. Chocolates and all, hats, garments, etc. Just checking the oils here. Eucalyptus oil, how much? No problem.
Please come, sir.
Yeah.
That one is the 280.
Okay, this is how many?
100 ml, the first quality.
Okay. Okay, so this is first quality, 100 ml, 260 final. Alright friends, so now we are heading towards Chennai. Just look at the view in front of us. Completely, the mountain is completely covered by the clouds. I'm not sure whether the camera is able to capture, but these are all moving clouds from here. So this is some viewpoint. This is the view. So basically there was a 10 rupees entry fee. You can go there, have a telescopic view of Ooty. Alright friends, so we are going through Kunnur. So there are a lot of one-ways while returning, and mostly the route will be via Coimbatore and not the Selami road one that we took while coming. So right now we are going inside through Kunnur town. Alright friends, so after a lot of struggle and harassment, we are heading towards Mettupalayam. So it seems the while return the route is different. You need to take Kotagiri, Mettupalayam, Coimbatore, and then from there to Chennai. In Kunnur town we made an entire round of the Kunnur town for 1 hour because of one ways, and now finally we have figured out the route. We're heading towards Mettupalayam, and then from Mettupalayam, then we won't be touching Coimbatore, I think. Alright friends, so I got this view. So there's a huge lake there. I'm not sure whether that is the Paikara lake or Emerald or Avalanche. But there's a huge lake, and just look at, there's a valley, the view of the valley from here, it's awesome. And there are tea gardens there. So we'll be going that way. So this point is on the way, on the Mettupalayam Kotagiri road. Alright friends, so on the way we had stopped at this Mettupalayam viewpoint. And this is the view from the viewpoint. Amazing, huh? Entire valley can be seen from here. Alright friends, so we have climbed down from Ooty and we are in Mettupalayam right now. Our house in Chennai is around 480 kilometers from here, and the expected time of arrival is around 11:50 p.m. The time right now it's around 3:30 p.m. So we are not very hungry, so around 5:30 we will stop for some tea, snacks and all, and maybe around 8:39 for dinner. That's the plan pretty much. It's raining, it's drizzling actually in Mettupalayam as well as in Ooty. It's drizzling. The weather was awesome. I mean, if you're planning to visit Ooty, do visit between May to June, July. After July, August, it is going to be off season. That is also another time you can visit because the hotel rates would be cheaper, the traffic would be lesser. So you can visit that time. And it will be a bit cold actually by September. Alright friends, so the time is around 4:30 or 5 and we have stopped here for a cup of tea, washroom and all. So let's just go and see what all do we have here. I'm not hungry, so maybe I'll just drink a cup of tea and then we'll start for Chennai again. Okay, so this is the restaurant. There are some toys in here and then you can sit there. So you will get South Indian food, idli, dosa and all. So I've ordered a cup of tea because I'm feeling a bit sleepy. So along with tea, we have ordered one plain dosa for the baby, but I saw paniyaram here, so I ordered one plate paniyaram for myself. It's been many months since I've had paniyaram, so I just hope it's good here. And finally, my paniyaram has come. This is the paniyaram. There are two basically, normal and sweet, so I've ordered the normal paniyaram. It's good. So we had paniyaram, dosa, tea, and now again we have started for Chennai. So the distance is around 430 kilometers to our home, and the expected time of arrival now is 12:41 a.m. So we will mostly stop for dinner. Let's see, but definitely for a cup of tea in say a couple of hours again.
Lane departure.
The road to Ooty is excellent. I mean, from Chennai to Ooty, if you are taking the Salem Road route, it is excellent. Alright friends, so we are crossing Kovai now. We had stopped and now it's a good thing that we stopped because it is raining very heavily now. I know in Chennai also it was raining in the afternoon, raining since morning. So I was expecting some rain, but I'm getting very heavy rainfall right now. Alright friends, the weather is kind of deteriorating. It's even worse than it was. The visibility is very less right now and the chances of aquaplaning has gone from say 50% to 90%. We already saw a Hyundai Creta inside a ditch. So he was trying to go enter the service road, I think, and there was I don't know, there was a nala or something and the car has fallen into that. So yeah, not able to drive above 60, 65. Just look at the condition, the amount of water. Oh shit. This is the current condition in Erode. It has rained heavily and now there is so much of water on the highway. Every car is going on the left hand side of the road. Just look at this idiot. Like, go slow, yaar. Go slow, idiot. Waiting outside the 100-meter line for a long time, and also we have waited more than 10 seconds, so I'm not going to keep hold here. Sir, waiting period more than 10 minutes, 10 seconds, 100-meter more line, not paying toll, sir. NHAI rule, sir. What? No paying toll, sir. More than 10 seconds waiting, more than 100 meters. Open the gate, sir. NHAI rule, sir. National Highway rule, sir. More than 100 meters, sir. Why blacklisted, huh? Pata. Why blacklisted? Why blacklisted? So they have blacklisted my tag. I don't know why. I have amount, but they have blacklisted. There was more than 100 meter of waiting period as well as more than 10 seconds. Just see what is happening. This is NHAI. I should write a mail to Mr. Nitin Gadkari for this. See. Alright friends, so we have crossed Salem and again here we got havoc rainfall. So I was just driving at a speed of 50, 55, 60 because the visibility was almost like zero. At few points I could not see what is ahead of me. It's almost 9:30 and planning to stop in another 15 to 30 minutes for a cup of tea. I'm not hungry because I had food, and also that toll fight I was a bit irritated. So yeah, I'll stop in another 15 to 30 minutes now. Alright friends, so we have stopped here near Vasanta Bhavan for a cup of tea, biscuit. There's Shri Kala Mess also here if you want to have something. This is going to be our last stop for today and we are near Ulandur Pet Toll Plaza. I hope you have liked the video. I'll stop the vlog here. If you have liked, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, see you all.